Congratulations on finishing the Learn to Crochet the Easy Way Masterclass. I'm so excited for you. As you can see, I am so excited I can barely sit in my chair. Thank you so much for allowing me to be part of your crochet journey. So I put together this free masterclass in order to spread this craft to as many people as possible. Crochet pulled me out from a deep depression, and it completely changed my life for the better. Now, whether you suffer from depression or anxiety or not, I feel that crochet opens up your mind. It makes you feel creative. You can make so many different kinds of things, and I wanted to be able to share that with as many people as I possibly could. And now that this class is over, I hope that you spread the joy of this craft through to your friends and your family and to those you don't even know. So thank you again for allowing me to be a part of your crochet journey. And now let's talk about the next steps you can take now that you're finished with this course. I know that we talked about a whole lot these past 14 days, but there is still so much to learn. With crochet, the possibilities truly are endless, and there are many different stitches, techniques, textures, and things that you can make, and I promise you're going to love continuing this journey and learning as much as you can about this beautiful craft. So the first thing that you can do is sign up for my weekly newsletter. In this newsletter, I send out weekly tips, free patterns, and you'll gain access to my free Facebook group where you can share all of your ups, all of your downs, all of the things you make, the yarn choices that you find, and just anything that makes you happy regarding yarn. My goal is to always help you learn new things, and just because we're done with this beginner class doesn't mean I don't have some more things to offer. So I would love for you to stick around with me. The next thing you can do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So again, just because I'm done with the basics doesn't mean that I'm all done uploading videos. I will have a new video up every Saturday, and if it's not every Saturday, it's because I had some crazy fiasco with my family and the kids did not allow me to record a video that week. But other than that, as long as all is well, I will have a video up every Saturday, and I will be teaching you new tips. I will be creating new patterns. I will be showing some tutorials. If you ever have any requests, you can always send me an email or ask them in the Facebook group. Now, the third thing you can do is if you're still struggling with any of the things that we learned in this course, you can go back and take a look at any of those videos. These videos will always be up here, so you're able to access them at any time. If you are still struggling with any of these and the videos don't help, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll steer you in the right direction. I will also leave some links to videos that will help you when it comes to tension and encouragement. So one of the best videos that you can take a look at is my 5 common beginner mistakes and how to fix them, because these mistakes are so common that even if you followed along with this course, you could still be making some of these mistakes, and this video will help you recognize those mistakes and learn how to fix them. So definitely go check out that one. Another video I suggest is if you feel like you are crocheting way too tight or way too loose and no amount of practice seems to be helping, then you can try watching my crochet tension tips video. And this talks about 2 different ways to hold your yarn, whether you're a tight or a loose crocheter. And another video I have is for a tension regulator. Now, this is something that you can make if you are still having problems with your tension, or if you feel like you've been practicing and practicing and it's just not improving. This tension regulator is a fantastic tool, and in this video I teach you how to make one yourself and how to use it. The fourth thing you can do is to start making. Here on YouTube, there are so many different tutorials that you can follow. I have several of my own that I would love for you to give a try. I will leave links in the description box for as many of my free patterns that I can find that are here on YouTube, and I will have a whole lot more to come. If you're not sure where to start, I designed a beginner washcloth series specifically for beginners so that they can learn to practice their stitches while also learning something new. There are 5 washcloths in this series, and you have plenty of practice using the single, half double, double, and the treble crochet. And we'll use them in different ways that you probably didn't even realize were possible. So I highly recommend checking out those 5 washcloths. And plus, if you mess them up, they're just washcloths. No big deal. They're really quick to make. You don't have to use cotton yarn, so don't even worry about that. Just practice with what you have, and I promise you will learn a thing or two from them. But not just me, there are plenty of other designers on YouTube that have really beautiful patterns, and I encourage you to really broaden your horizon and start making all the things. Even if you don't feel 100% confident in your skills, the more that you crochet and the more patterns that you crochet from different people, the better you will seriously get. I can't say that enough. And that's all I have for you today. Today is the very last video of our Learn to Crochet the Easy Way course, and I hope that you've enjoyed this class. And please, I would love for you to leave a comment telling me if this is how you learned or just your overall thoughts about this course. Tell me one thing that you would love to make that's fairly easy and one thing that's like your dream make. I would love to hear them, and I will reply back to as many people as I possibly can. Thank you again so much for being here with me, and I hope you can help me spread the word of what a beautiful craft crochet is. I'll see you in the next one.